Did you bring
wait. We're gonna do something funny. Get that dry, right? You want to sit right here? Yeah, we're gonna.
All right.
Oh my God,
Try
Sasha,
to
you
get
putting
this.
on.
I know. Everybody touch that.
Watch out. Watch out. Here it
Oh,
comes.
Ryan, did yours all blow out too?
Nope, she blew them out.
Okay.
Here, Jack.
Oh,
blow these two.
The number 3.
1, 2, 3. Make a wish.
Wow.
Okay.
All right.
Now,
Oh, what's going to happen, guys?
here we go. Somebody be videotaping
Can somebody
this.
watch this to make sure
Jack,
nobody's...
stay back right here.
I don't know how to do it.
I am.
It's exciting. Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa!
There it goes.
It's not going to go bubble.
I see blood. I mean,
Ooh, I see bubbles.
they sacrificed. There's a blood cake again.
The cake may be
Don't worry,
melting.
this one's edible.
Oh, that was not?
Well, it kind of is. But we'll see.
Whoa!
Whoa, look at it.
Oh man! Oh wow!
Wow, that is
See the bubbles? It's coming over.
Oh God! How
Well, we can't touch this one because it's got this really cold ice.
Whoa, look at that! Uh-oh, there we go. Yeah, Seth and I toiled. It was in my yard for another 6 months.
I don't blame you.
Jack, what are you
Come in with me and let's wash
I want to eat my cake.
Is that cool?
I want to eat your cake too, Ryan.
You want to eat the cake? Oh, yeah, let's see.